Hi, my name is Bilal Ahmad Ali. I work at Sundaram Motors Mercedes-Benz as General Manager for Marketing. So recently we have onboarded this WACTO from Nettyfish. I have to say the support and the service from the team was excellent, and it actually helped us to increase our TAT score. So the turnaround time to the customer has been highly reduced with this new software. Not just that, our team is also enjoying the new interface. It's fresh, young. That's moreover about WACTO. So I would highly recommend WACTO to any companies, specifically in the automobile stream. Thank you.